Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. We are from Maqbool Solutions Software Company, and today's video is all about system shortcuts in our point-of-sale software. Did you know that almost every software has built-in shortcuts to make tasks easier and faster? If you learn these shortcuts, your work will become super efficient. Tasks that normally take hours will be done in minutes, and those that take minutes will be completed in seconds. Amazing, right? And the best part? Almost every function in the software can be operated entirely through the keyboard. How to view shortcuts? To check all available shortcuts, go to Utilities module and click on System Shortcuts. Here you'll find a complete list of shortcuts neatly described for you. But that's not all. We've also noted down some additional useful shortcuts in a notepad file. So make sure to take notes because these will change the way you work. Now let's go through these shortcuts one by one and see how they work in real time. #1, Control Space, listing shortcut. This shortcut is a game changer. It helps you bring up lists instantly. If you've opened a form like Live Products and want to see the list, Control Space will do the trick. Making an invoice? Need a product list? Control Space. Looking for customers? Looking for 𝐶𝐈? Need to select a batch number? Control Space will instantly show all available batches along with their quantities. Sounds simple, right? It saves you so much time. Shift-Enter. Move your cursor instantly. Ever felt frustrated when manually moving the cursor? Not anymore. If your cursor is stuck somewhere and you want to move it upward, press Shift-Enter. Press it again and it moves downward. Working in purchase entries, instead of manually navigating fields, just press Shift-Enter and boom, you're where you need to be. It's like magic. *3, Tab and Shift-Tab, quick field navigation. Navigating through fields manually, that's old school. Press Tab to move to the next field. Press Shift-Tab to move back to the previous field. This works just like Excel, so if you're used to MS Excel, you'll love this. 4, Arrow keys, move like a pro. Many people don't realize this, but arrow keys are super useful in our software. Up arrow moves the cursor to the previous row or field. Down arrow moves it to the next row or field. Whether you're making an invoice, a purchase entry, or navigating between fields, arrow keys make it so much easier. Key shortcuts, instant access to modules. Want to jump between modules quickly? Alt key shortcuts are your best friend. Alt opens invoices, Alt P opens products, Alt S opens stock, Alt M opens memorized transactions, Alt E adds a new expense, X opens expense details. See how simple it is? No more wasting time clicking around. #6, Sales and purchase shortcuts speed up transactions. If you deal with sales and purchases, you'll love these shortcuts. Alt N opens new invoice, Alt I opens invoice details, Alt U opens new purchase entry. These shortcuts will make your billing process super smooth and lightning fast. 7, Delete key, remove items instantly. Want to remove an item from an invoice or purchase entry? Just press delete. But be careful, if you keep pressing delete, multiple items will be removed. Always check which item is selected before pressing delete. Final thoughts. Mastering these shortcuts will revolutionize the way you use this software. You'll work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Want to learn more? Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, and stay updated with all the latest tips and tricks. That's it for today. Until next time, take care and goodbye.